Guys, this is Steven for your Wellness Wednesday over at Peaceful Warriors Wellness Center. So today's Wellness Wednesday is about the IT band and some misconceptions. So the big thing is some people are under the impression, and it's okay, like we're all learning. Sometimes we have to learn from experience, but under the impression that when we roll our IT band, that tensor fascia with this thick sheath of tissue that pulls on the knee, helps stabilize the knee and the hip on that lateral outside, that we have to really get in there and dig, and that could be a little painful, like pretty painful, if you were to put all of your body weight on a foam roller or any other type of tool. See, that's a lot. So what I recommend is, listen to your body, be gentle. Sometimes less is more. And you sit right on your buttocks, on your bum, and instead you work on the muscles that connect to the IT band. So the glute max, the TFL, or tensor fascia lata. Sounds like a nice fancy coffee beverage. So so the TFL, the glutes, and also that outside the lateral part of your quadricep thigh muscle, which is directly underneath that IT band, or ITB. So if you learn anything, just get on your butt and start rolling. And that's about it. You just find those spots of tension. You can hold it there for 30, 60 seconds.